Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make member-only visible pages in Wix. This is incredibly useful if you're running a membership site, offering exclusive content, or simply want to restrict certain pages to registered users only. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's jump right in. First, you'll need to go to the Wix website and log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in and viewing your Wix dashboard, look over to the left navigation menu. You'll see an option labeled Site and Mobile App. Click on that and a drop-down selection will appear. From this drop-down, go ahead and click on Website. This takes you into the management area for your actual website. From here, you'll be able to see the website settings you have available. Take a moment to make sure that this is the website you wish to customize. If you manage multiple sites, it's always good to double-check you're working on the right one before making changes. Now, on this page, locate the Design Site button. You'll typically find this on the top part of your screen, usually beside a pen icon. Click on Design Site to proceed. This button is your gateway to editing the structure and layout of your pages. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where all the magic happens. On the left navigation menu, locate the Site Pages and Menu button and click on it. This menu will expand and show you all the content you have on your website, including all your pages and menu items. From here, select the page you want to make a members-only page. It could be a resources page, a download area, or any page with exclusive content. Once you've located the page you want to restrict, hover your cursor over it. You'll notice a three-dot button appear, also known as the More Actions button. Click on it and a menu will pop up. From this menu, select Settings. This opens up the configuration options for that specific page. Under the Page Settings menu, locate the Permissions section and click on it. This is where you control who gets to see this page. You'll be presented with 3 access options: everyone, password holders, and site members. Since we want to make this a member-only page, go ahead and select Site Members. After selecting Site Members, an Access Customization section will appear at the bottom. This is where you can fine-tune exactly who among your members can access this page. You can configure it so that all members have access, or you can restrict it further to specific members only. If you choose specific members, you have several options. You can limit access to members with certain roles, members with planned subscriptions, or even site collaborators only. Simply toggle on the respective button for the option you prefer. And that's it. You've now successfully set up a member-only page on your Wix site, giving you full control over who sees what content. This feature is perfect for building exclusive communities and offering premium experiences. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.